If you're looking for mahogany finish wall clocks, here's a collection you've got to see. New and popular 2017 mahogany finish wall clocks. Number 1, most popular, by Seiko watches. Watch this video and get inspired. Number 2, by Bulova. Number 3. For more details about this great wall clocks, just click this circle. Number 4, by Zeckos. Number 5, by Tempus. Find these mahogany finish wall clocks at up to 70% off by clicking the info circle. Number 6, by Seth Thomas. Number 7, by Bedford Clock Collection. Click the info circle to find more amazing products and gift ideas. Number 8, by Seth Thomas. Number 9, by AA Importing. Discover more mahogany finish wall clocks ideas and items to explore, click the info circle. Number 10, by Seth Thomas.
Thanks for watching this collection. If you like it, subscribe to our channel.